Hey, it's Toby at Berkshire Hathaway Realtors. We're at 10472 Finn. Let's go check it out. Really pretty blue paint job with the stone accents on the outside here. Got nice, looks like real wood plank, wide plank floors. Nice big wall of windows back here. One bedroom off the main here with the closet. Or great little office. You got a full bath right here as soon as you walk in as well. Closet. Nice kitchen. I'm gonna back up so you can see this whole thing. Giant island. Got a pantry, stainless steel appliances, a hood. Little dining area here with a walkout to a rear patio. Landscaping is all done, low maintenance, a lot of rock. Then you've got these nice built-ins here. This home is in Wolf Ranch, northeast Colorado Springs. Let's go down the hall and check it out. Linen closet there on my left. Master with a double door to step in here. Carpeted. You got some mountain views here, just over those houses there. Not a ton, but oh, and a fire pit back here. There you go. Nice area out back off the patio. We're going into the attached master bathroom, shower, tub, double vanity separated, your toilet room. And then you walk into the master closet here. No door or anything, but you step right into that carpeted master closet. Really nice. Now this floor plan, this floor plan sometimes will have the laundry room attached to that master closet. This one does not. They chose to do another bedroom up here. So you've got, actually this would probably be an office. It would be a non-conforming bedroom because you don't have a closet anywhere in this one. So you've actually got two bedrooms, including the master and the one when you walk in, and then that one, if you want to use that as a bedroom, would be three. Haven't turned on any lights here yet, but here's your laundry room. Cool floor in there. It's a linoleum, but I like the look of it. I'll peek out to the garage here so you can see that. Nice big 3-car garage with a window and an exterior entry or exit to the yard. There you go. This is not my listing. This is Tanya from Jason Mitchell Group out of Denver. So shout out to Tanya for a really nice house she's got listed here. All right, we're gonna go downstairs so you can see the basement. This is a ranch floor plan, so you've got the main level here, and then an open staircase straight down to the lower level. There's a bit of a smell. It's like a pet smell or something, so you might, oh man, it's really strong down here. You might need to, you will need to replace carpet. Yeah, it looks like there's some staining here. So this is the big wide open room. You've got another full bathroom with a double vanity down here. Really nice. Another bedroom. This does have a closet, so that's a standard bedroom with egress, window well with a ladder. Same thing over here, just the reverse on the other side of the hall. A little bit bigger in this room because you've got the bump out because you don't have the bathroom over here. So two nice sized bedrooms. And then there is an unfinished space down here as well. This is all below ground level basement, which tend to stay, cooler, both in the winter and the summer. But you've got a nice big area here. There's no rough-ins for an additional bathroom, but you could certainly put another bedroom down here. Looks like an on-demand hot water heater and furnace and AC down here as well in your mechanical room. A little bit more storage underneath the stairs there as well. So that's it. That's 10472 Finn. If you have questions, please give me a call. Happy to get you some more details or answer any specific questions that you might have. It's Toby Lorenc, Berkshire Hathaway, Rocky Mountain Realtors, Colorado.